একটু হাততালি হবে নাকি?
ওকে, থ্যাংক ইউ।
Assalamu alaikum. Good afternoon, everyone. It's good to be back. 2 বছর আগে same contract signing ceremony তে এসেছিলাম and it felt wonderful. And it's just a pleasure that BCB has agreed to extend the contract with us. It's a pride for us and we are proud about the extension of this contract. Coca-Cola stands in Bangladesh for many or all good things that gets done in the country and cricket is one of it. Cricket is our pride. The way it touches people, it connects with people. Coca-Cola is proud that we continue this connection with people through cricket and we hope that the way we touch lives of many people who are associated with Coca-Cola across the country, across the globe, we build that relationship with the country, with the people and with cricket and this journey continues to flourish in the future. Thank you.
ধন্যবাদ আপনাকে। একটু হাততালি হবে নাকি?
ওকে, থ্যাংক ইউ।
থ্যাংক ইউ ভেরি মাচ।
So thank you so much.
সবাই ভালো থাকবেন, সবাইকে ধন্যবাদ।
Thank you for your time.
থ্যাংক ইউ।